welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 30th of October to the 3rd of November 2023 on Monday. Ntando comes to a painful realization that he will always live in his brother's shadow, and Bulelwa's effort to unite the family blows up in her face. Thulani is caught between fulfilling his duties and following his heart on Tuesday. Nontle and Thulani struggle to find their groove while they both pine for other people. Fed up with Bulelwa, Zimkhitha turned to an unlikely ally, and that his future seems more uncertain than ever on Wednesday. Nozuko considers joining with the fool. Bulelwa nudges her son to get intimate with his wife. Matilda wants the Ngqenges to pay for Anati's misery on Thursday. Nontle continues to fight temptation. Anati decides to go back to the Ngqenges, but with a plan. Zimkhitha comes up with a way to solve the Bulelwa problem on Friday. New Anati torments Nozuko. Zimkhitha is hell-bent on getting Nozuko to agree to kill Bulelwa. Nontle stuck between a rock and a hard place. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.